We are discussing LOTO today. It is the short form for Lockout and Tagout in an industrial setting. But what is it actually? You will learn it today with me. We will be discussing the concept behind LOTO, the different types of it, and how to develop a system or procedure to implement this system in an industry. So, let's start with definition. As mentioned before, LOTO is an abbreviation of Lockout and Tagout. In an industry, this system is used to avoid accidents because of sudden release of energy during a maintenance activity on an electrical, mechanical, or pneumatic system. Let's discuss an example of repair on a pump. So normally when we talk about pumps, the first energy source which comes to our mind is electrical energy, which is driving the motor of the pump. But is it the only energy source in the pump? No. Why? Because in industries pumps are used to transport fluids from one source to another, so in a pump other than electrical energy, the second source of energy is the fluid energy. It is extremely important to release the entrapped fluid in the inlet and outlet before starting any activity on a pump. So, first we will isolate the pump electrically, identify the source of power, and disconnect it from main panel, not just from immediate electrical connection. Put a lock on the power source and a tag for communication. Now you need to isolate the pump mechanically. So, the step-by-step process in both inlet and outlet valves isolation will be as follows. Close the inlet and outlet valves of the pump and put a lock and a tag for communication. Now locate the drain valve and empty the inlet and outlet section of the pump. Keep the drain valve in open lock position, which means open the valve and lock it in that position. If the transporting fluid was hot, let the whole system cool down before starting any activity. If the fluid is toxic or flammable, ensure there is no leakage from inlet or outlet valve and flush the lines with fresh water before any activity. You are now ready to perform maintenance on the pump. Do not forget to receive relevant work permit and use of correct tools and PPAs.